Hey guys, so I got an hour worth of work in doing cave tiles, so that's what we're going to be showing today.
Hey guys, what's up? Michael here. So today I am doing about an hour worth of work on dungeon tiles and speeding it up so you get to see what I've done without watching for a full hour. So right now I'm basically just gluing my tiles to a piece of cork. If you haven't seen my full video on how this is done, check it out. I'll put a link up in the corner for you. But by casting these tiles in the Merlin's Magic Plaster, they are fairly durable, but they really need something to hold them together. So that's where the cork comes in. And the nice thing is that it's a totally non-marring surface for my my game table. So the frame that I have, and I have a video where I talk about that. I made that out of MDF. And I just sandwiched 3 pieces together for the outside edge and then 1 piece for the bottom of it. And that helps me keep everything square while I'm doing these glue ups. Now for the floor tile pieces, that's not as important, but later in this video I'll get into the wall tile pieces, and it becomes a lot more critical to get it correct. So I tried out in this video a new set of camera angles. So I've got this lower angle that you see right now on your screen, which I think is really good. But I had some problems in editing, and for whatever the reason, I deleted some film that I did not intend to delete. So the first half of this video, I'll flip back and forth between the angles that you see right now, but the second half I'm going to cut out the narration and just speed it up a little bit, just since I go to just 2 angles. So right now I'm doing dungeon tiles, and the dungeon tile pieces, it's an original design by Bruce Hurst of Hurst Arts. And forgive me, Bruce, if I'm saying your name wrong, but he did the original that I bought a mold of. And then in order to do multiples of it, I made my own mold off of castings that I did, just so that I could make a lot of pieces quickly. And then right now, the part that you've seen that I've just switched to, these are the cave tile pieces. So again, the floor is Hurst Arts, but that little water pool that you can see in the shot, that is Forbot Industries, which makes along the same line as Hurst Arts, but they do a different design and a different set of stuff. And most of the cave wall pieces that I use, the designs come from them. I have the Hurst Arts ones. I just liked the idea of a cave wall system that stacked up and worked more like the dungeon wall system is going to. So once I get the glue ups done, then I will go back in, and I will fill in gaps on the cave walls and add the little detail pieces, like putting stalagmites and stalactites. So we are approaching the halfway point on this video, so I'm going to cut the narration here and speed it up a little bit for you. But as always, guys, if you have any questions for me about anything that you're going to see me doing in this video, leave them for me in the comments, and make sure to check out my full video that talks about how to do glue ups. And thanks for checking out this one.
Remember, if you like our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more great videos like this.